this is me Kanchan. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Learn. Guys, thanks for your love and support. So please keep watching all the videos and share with your friends too. Guys, today we'll do WH interrogative of future perfect tense. So without wasting our time, let's begin it. Third tense, future tense. Third part of it is future perfect tense. In Hindi, पूर्ण भविष्यकाल. Okay. Now fourth part of it is WH interrogative. So guys, start WH interrogative on a fresh page. There is no need to write these two headings again. Okay. Let's see formula. WH word plus will shall plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb plus object plus question mark. Okay. Indication of Hindi sentences. प्रश्नार्थक शब्द या होगा, ई होगी, ए होंगे एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. उसने किसे पत्र लिखा होगा. सो इंडिकेशन इज किसे एंड हियर खा होगा एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. नाउ किसे is WH word. WH word will be your whom for kise. Whom, then your will, he had written a letter. Question mark. Let's see according the formula. WH word, then will shall, so your will, subject he, have, third form of the verb, so your written, object a letter and question mark, so your question mark. Clear? Let's see whom will he have written a letter. Answer will be he will have written a letter to the principal. Okay, let's see. He will have written a letter to the principal. Clear guys? This much? Understood? So let's see some more examples. Friends, the verbs which are coming new, please note down. Now moving to the second point. उनकी टीम ने हमारी टीम को चुनौती क्यों दी होगी. Indication is क्यों and your e होगी and question mark. Okay. Now in English, why will their team have challenged our team? Okay. Once more, why will their team have challenged our team? Answer is, let me write, you just read. What is? See, probably they think that will not win from them. Okay? Probably they think that will not win from them. Means शायद वे सोचते हैं कि हम उनसे मैच नहीं जीतेंगे. ओके. नाउ मूविंग टू द थर्ड पॉइंट. किन स्थानों पर उन्होंने पैम्पलेट्स बांटे होंगे. इंडिकेशन इज किन एंड हियर ए होंगे क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. नाउ ऑन विच प्लेसेस विल दे हैव सर्कुलेटेड द पैम्पलेट्स. सर्कुलेट मीन्स प्रसार करना और बांटना. Okay guys, now on which places will they have circulated the back plates? You have to write its answer. And guys, please note down, from here you have to write answers. Okay, now moving to the fourth point. सुजाता ने अपने पिताजी के जायदाद में हिस्सेदारी के लिए दावा क्यों किया होगा? इंडिकेशन इज क्यों या होगा एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ इन इंग्लिश, व्हाई विल सुजाता हैव क्लेम्ड to have a stake in her father's property? Guys, stake means हिस्सेदारी, okay, या फिर हिस्सा. Now here, why will Sujata have claimed? Claim करना यानी दावा करना, okay. Main verb is claim, and now here third form is claimed, okay. Why will Sujata have claimed to have a stake in her father's property? Okay. Now moving to the fifth point. पैसों के लिए उसने किसे फंसाया होगा? Indication is किसे and here या होगा and question mark. Now in English, whom will he have cheated for money? Cheat करना यानी किसी को फंसाना या धोखा देना. Or you can say, whom will he have trapped for money? Spelling will be trapped, meaning भी फंसाया होगा. Okay? Now moving to the last point. कौन से सर ने हमारे पेपर्स चेक किए होंगे? Indication is कौन से and here A होंगे. फाइनली इधर A आ गया है. ओके, लेट्स सी कौन से सर ने हमारे पेपर्स चेक किए होंगे. विच सर विल हैव चेक द पेपर्स, और यू कैन से विच हेड विल हैव चेक द पेपर्स. क्लियर गाइस? दिस मच अंडरस्टूड? ओके, if you have any doubt, please comment, and if you like this video, then give a thumbs up. And please share with your friends too. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, because this channel is very unique and you learn something new. For further notification, hit the bell icon. Now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, be healthy.